to me, the first thing I saw when I came in, I thought this is exactly what Carol did in the Grand Salon in the Chateau, particularly with the wallpaper, where it's like a watermark. So in certain lights, it's more clear. It's actually picking up better on camera, but by light in here, you don't all see the effect on the wallpaper till the light hits it. Maybe more so on that one. But it's very similar. Love what they've done with the ceiling. And the 3 chandeliers coming off. Absolutely gorgeous room. All the mouldings. That coving, incredible. Yeah, so very, very nice. You'll see this is used for events, etc. So it's carpeted. Whether there's an original parquet flooring underneath, I don't know. I better not start pulling the carpet up. I might be throwing out the establishment. But being in here in winter with a fire roaring, yes. I'll find Carol later on and see what she thinks in here, but as soon as I saw it, and these windows. Right. Spent years gold foiling this. Wow, good job she didn't do the scene at the Chateau like this. But it really brings your eye to it as soon as you come in. Well, I've only been here a couple of hours. I want to buy the place now. I've got a feeling it's a long way past our budget. And another room which is definitely worth showing. Oh, hello, darling.
The whole place is gorgeous.
It is stunning.
This is me.
So what's... Oh my word. Oh yeah, I can see this being you.
Oh, I just noticed in the corners they're violins, and this ceiling has been, is it reported or replicated?
No, so I'll show you this in a minute. There's a ceiling in another room which has been imported in from Italy. But I'll come outside and show you that. But in here, the colours work really well. Let me see if I can show most of the room. Right, let's come round. We're lucky the room's empty at the moment, so they've let us come in here. Now look at this fireplace. Oh, can you just imagine sitting down there in the evening with your chestnuts? Whoa. Very nice. Well, the room that, or the ceiling that Carol's talking about, I'm going to wander out and show you now. So this is the ceiling that was imported in from Italy. Unbelievable. These large fireplaces are just stunning. This is the room we're going to have breakfast in tomorrow. I've jumped in here quickly before it gets busy. And again, So tastefully done, really is. Now look at this ceiling. It's the first thing that caught my eye. Detail up on there. Unbelievable. That took a while to do. All this wood panelling, I love. I think they might even call this the oak room, actually. But, I'll come over here and show. Amazing. Yeah, absolutely love it. I mean, it's when you come to places like that, you realise actually what you may have not given up, but what we came away from that could eventually be in the chateau. I'm sure it will be with the new owners. I'm sure they're going to bring it to this sort of standard over time. I mean, there's still a lot of work to do there. Carol wouldn't have been happy making curtains for all these windows. But she's a trooper. She would have done it. I'm going to carry on looking at more rooms because the more I keep seeing, the more I'm blown away. So let's go find another room. Found another room, the library room. Again, incredible ceilings. Yeah, this room I do like. And in fact, this room Carol will like. I've just seen the bar.
Good thing you got the video.
Popping outside. The formal gardens, or park gardens, there's other ones. That's a bit of a shame they haven't got the fountain going. But yeah, that's really does welcoming. I could sit out there and a picnic. And it's so quiet. Hello everyone. Well, the dreaded day has come when the children break up from school. What do you do with them over the summer holiday? I'm about to find out because this is the first day And Carol suggested a place down near Petersfield. We were told about a place called Sky Farm, where you can, well, animals are down here, you can feed the deer. It's actually got a playground in the background. I'll maybe go around in a minute and show you. It's got Zach happy for the moment. But I just thought I'd plug it because I think if you're stuck for ideas, and we certainly are, what to do with a 5-year-old that's got more energy than I've ever had in my life, that was one place to come. So we'll have a look around and hopefully we'll show you him worn out. Cool, you're on camera, you're playing with the children. Where is Zach in there? This is amazing setup. I'm well impressed with this. In fact, I'd have fun doing this. You gotcha, found you. You can run, but you can't hide.
I found you.
You gonna feed it, Zach?
Feed him.
You gonna feed it?
Yes.
We'll feed it, Zach.
Matthew, show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Then give it to him.
Oh,
He's eating them.
You put your hand out.
Look hungry. Hello.
Then you put your hand out.
That's it. Don't be scared. Just put it out flat like that.
Give it to him.
Like really, really flat.
I want you to do it. I want you to do it because I don't know what it is.
You shouldn't have watched Jurassic Park. That's what done it.
Go through the.
I'm scared too.
Yeah,
You going to
It
scan?
smells nice.
Put your hand through.
I don't like it.
Don't use your painting hand.
I hit me with it. It's a whack.
won't hurt you.
He's licking you. Oh, you got another friend now. Oh,
Get away from that.
yeah, that's my dinner. Do you want to do it again, Zach?
Yeah.
He was scared 10 minutes ago. Now look.
One over there.
Oh, you got a friend there.
Slimy.
Hello everyone, so we have been sent the Fiido T1 Pro and it is an e-bike that's been sent to us. This isn't like e-bikes that you guys have seen before, this one's slightly different. It's actually tailored for you to be able to do things like commutes or it's to do picnics and things like that, because you can see on the box, you can see it's got a crate at the back and a basket at the front. So it's perfect for if you want to go on a picnic or if you want to, Dad, you can do your cycle to work in this thing.
Now you can bring all my tools to work. I don't need to do any cycling now. I'll be on my scooter.
So this is a really powerful e-bike. It's got 7 different speeds and as you can see it's got lots of features. So let's get it unboxed. So we've got the bike out of the box and we're now down at Portsmouth and we're going to go for a really nice cycle along the seafront. They've got a really great cycle lane along there, so it's perfect for taking the bikes down. So it's a perfect day to go for a picnic. We've got a cool box which we're going to strap to the back, and we've also been sent this. So this is a saddle bag that can go onto the back. It attaches perfectly and we can put all of our drinks in there, all of our items, and if that's not enough space, we've also got the basket on the front. So instead of having this around me, I can attach this into here and I can cycle off knowing that that's safe. And even better, I can't believe that it has this. This bike has cruise control. So while I'm going along the beach, I don't have to worry about doing anything. I put it in cruise control and I'm
Off she goes. So as Beth was showing you the bike, I'll just point out a few things. So chunky tyres. I'm really pleased on my bike. I had the chunky tyres and this will make such a difference. Never had a puncture. I'm always off-roading quite a lot. I use my bike a lot and I think this makes a big difference, and stability as well. Shimano gearing, that's a real plus, and that's what most people try to put on their bikes.
At the front of the bike you've got your display, and this is really easy to look at while you're cycling because obviously you just glance down and it's there. So you've got all the information you need. You've got the miles per hour of how fast you're going. You've also got the battery life, so you can always keep an eye on that, and you've got the assist level. So you've got 0, which is no assist, 1, 2 and 3, with 3 being the strongest, and you can change that by just pressing these buttons here. Although at the moment it's sunny, if we want to go for a cycle in the evening, look at this thing. I've basically got a floodlight on the front of my bike and it has full beam and dip beam. So yeah, do I need a car if I've got this thing? I don't think so.
Let's go for a ride.
Got my picnic blanket, got the cool box. Let's go for a picnic.
Yeah, I don't know if I can keep up with you.
Yeah, see you later. So we just got back from our cycle. Please excuse the sunglasses, I can't see anything without them. But we just got back, we had a really nice time, a really nice cycle. This bike is so comfortable to ride. So you can see the size of the seat, it is absolutely huge and it is so padded. So there's no problem sitting on there from long cycles. You've also got the handlebars that they've changed. So the handlebars are different to normal. They've got an extra wide grip to them. So that means when I'm holding onto it, my what's this part of my hand called?
Your
Dan?
palm.
My palm of my hand can rest really nicely against that. So it makes it so comfortable for long rides really. And you can do long rides on this. The whole battery can last up to 150 kilometers. So you could go so far on it. It's got a really big battery that's got a massive capacity and it's not heavy. And even if it was heavy, you've got so many different speed alterations on this. There's 4 different speeds and it wouldn't make a difference. So it's a really great bike. I highly recommend it. If you want to check it out, there'll be a link in the description. And if you use our code, which I'll also put in the description, you get 50s off.
So you can cycle home now.
Yeah, not quite.